television working behind the scenes on many kinds of programs.
What's better? Let's bring the rate up a little more.
Programs that benefit your children, your neighbors, and your community.
Have you talked to your mom and dad?
Yeah, but they don't listen to me.
I know what you're saying, but yes, they do.
Programs that keep us in touch with each other and keep us in touch with tomorrow.
Let's go ahead and bring up the flight generator.
What time is it? Again. Very good.
In fact, we think some of our best programs are the ones you never see on television.
No one saw it coming.
About 3 o'clock, the wind started. It sounded like a train coming through, and it was the most awful sound you ever heard in your life.
700 died. 63,000 left homeless. It was one of the country's worst natural disasters. The hurricane of '38